$8.7 trillion 401ks can now buy Bitcoin. Meanwhile, a whale shifted 3,000 BTC and $120 million shorts vanished. Breakout or bull trap? Welcome to your daily 5-minute crypto brief with Satoshi and Nova. Today is August 8th, 2025. I am Nova.
I am Satoshi. Bitcoin climbed back over $115,000.
Yeah, it touched around $116,800, so up about 1.7%.
Okay, but Ethereum, that was the one that really jumped out, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Almost 6%, up near $3,890.
That's right, and it tells us something interesting.
What's that?
Well, Ethereum's strong performance, plus you saw Solana jump to 174 cores, XRP spiked, over 10% to $3.31?
Yeah.
It shows investors aren't just going for Bitcoin. They're looking for higher beta plays, a broader return of confidence maybe in altcoins.
Okay, so wider risk appetite.
Yeah.
Because even the meme coins.
Exactly. Dogecoin up nearly 8%, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Floki, all seeing decent gains, 4 and 9%. It signals that revived risk appetite across the board.
And the fear and greed index reflected that.
Definitely. Climbed into greed around 62, and this was helped significantly by a weaker U.S. dollar, falling bond yields, and that big short squeeze.
Ah, yes, the squeeze. Over $120 million in shorts liquidated quickly.
Within an hour, yeah. Forced buying really added momentum.
Okay, let's switch gears to policy then, because this is where it gets really interesting, I think. In the U.S., President Trump signed that executive order. 401ks can now include crypto.
Landmark stuff, potentially.
It feels like more than just capital, right? It's like
Yeah.
validation for Main Street investors.
I think so. It's not just about the potential money from that huge $8.7 trillion 401k pool. It's the official institutional nod. It signals, maybe this isn't just speculation anymore. Maybe it belongs in a retirement plan.
Connects digital and traditional finance in a new way.
And then you connect that to what's happening elsewhere, the Bank of England.
Right, they surprise people. Cut rates again. 25 basis points.
Yeah, down to 4.00%. Second cut in a row. Now, that generally helps crypto, improves liquidity.
Right.
Well, some might see it as a sign the economy is weaker than expected, right? So it's a double-edged sword, maybe.
That's a fair point. Easier money is good, but you have to watch why money's getting easier. It's a balance.
For sure.
And it's not just the West. Look at Asia.
Yeah.
China's moving on stablecoins.
Yeah, cautiously. Reports suggest they're looking at allowing RMB-backed stablecoins launched out of Hong Kong. A pilot program.
Trying to internationalize the RMB, offer an alternative to USD stablecoins, using Hong Kong's new rules.
Exactly. It's fascinating how all these different policy threads, U.S. retirement, UK rates, Chinese stablecoins kind of came together in the last day or so.
Injecting this pro-crypto, pro-liquidity feel into the market.
Yeah, a multi-front validation, you could almost say.
So looking ahead then, short-term outlook seems cautiously bullish.
It appears that way. Traders are definitely banking on easier money. The Fed rate cut in September, markets are pricing in over 90% probability now.
And we saw money flowing back into the ETFs too. Bitcoin ETFs snapped that outflow streak.
They did, about $91.6 million in net inflows for Bitcoin spot ETFs. And Ethereum ETF saw around $110 million too, hints of renewed confidence.
But there's always a but, isn't there?
Hey, usually. Analysts are saying, hold on, it's positive, but maybe too early to call it a sustained uptrend.
Why is that?
Well, for example, this huge dormant whale address just moved 3,000 Bitcoin, worth nearly $350 million.
Someone who hasn't touched their coins in 10 years.
Exactly. And historically, when these large early holders move coins, it can signal volatility ahead, maybe profit-taking.
Right, so even with the positive ETF flows, that's a potential warning sign. Risk management is still key.
Absolutely crucial for you, the retail investor. The signals are a bit mixed.
Okay, so wrapping up, what's the takeaway for you listening? Crypto's ending the week stronger. There's definitely bullish energy, more acceptance.
But things can change fast. Sentiment's better, yes, but stay informed, manage your risk. This market moves quickly.
And for your final thought today, with 401ks opening up, central banks easing, are we seeing that fundamental shift? Is crypto becoming truly mainstream finance, or is this just another speculative wave, albeit a powerful one, something to ponder as you navigate this space? You've seen the crypto headlines. Now get the signals that impact your holdings. Money.ai scans 1.3 million signals a day, from token prices to Twitter sentiment, and gives you one personalized briefing. No hype, no noise, just your crypto edge. Download Money.ai. Stay ahead.